So this is how my face looks like after the scrub. I want to first start with the serum. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Jacie is my name and I want to do a vlog. First, I am going to get ready and head out, so come with me as I get ready. So to cleanse the face, I'm going to use the rose water and it has glycerin. Once we are done with glycerin, I'm going to scrub my face using this face and body scrub, lemon and honey. If you don't have this scrub, you can make it at home. You can just mix honey and lemon. Yeah, so I'm just going to spread it. And one thing I noticed about this is that it's causing my skin to break if I stay with it for a long time. So I think it's supposed to be like 5 minutes and you're done. So don't overstay with it. Yeah. Oh, this brush, I got it from I think Miniso, TRM. Yeah, it was from Miniso. It's really nice to use. It's not harsh on your face, as you can see. And for those of us who have nails, you need something to spread. Sometimes I feel like this mixture is causing my skin to itch or irritating my skin, but I'm not so sure. Whatever you do to your face, do it to your neck, because you do not want a pretty face and an ugly neck, and they are seen together most of the time. Yes. So now I'm ready to shower. As the scrub works on my skin, like I said, I don't use it for more than 5-10 minutes, because I feel like sometimes it's irritating my skin. I don't know why, but the outcome is always so amazing, so I'm unable to stop using it. Maybe once it runs out, I will get the natural one. I'll just be making from the house without buying. For shower gel, I use this Nivea. It's really amazing. The smell is very nice and you don't even use a lot. It's actually economical, I noted. Leave a comment down below if you have used Nivea and actually you feel it works for you. Yeah, so let's shower. So this is how my face looks like after the scrub. Today I want to first start with the serum. I prefer to use it at night, but it's actually at night. I'm just preparing to go out, so still okay. I'm not an expert, so I can't tell you the right time to use it. Yeah, so that's done. Then if it was during the day, I would have gone in with a sunscreen protector, but it's not during the day, so I will not use it at night. That's why I use the serum. Then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me. These products are from True Cosmetics. I don't know the quality of other locations, so I will not comment. This does not hurt my face, and as you can see, my face is not flawless because I struggle with acne, but these products don't worsen the situation, so we make do. The next thing, I'm going to use a Nash foundation. Yeah, so I'll quickly apply. The next thing, I will use a Nash powder, this, and I have to bend because I didn't come with a cloth to protect my shirt dress. I am in love with Nash products. I've been using Maybelline, Serum, but this I love. The next thing, I will use the Maybelline spray for making the makeup stick. I have used the Maybelline lasting spray. This helps the makeup to stay together. I will say again, I'm not an expert, so I am telling you what I do. So for the lips, I'm going to go in with Nivea first. I don't know, I just feel like I want to use the softest thing on my skin first. That's why I use Nivea. But even when I go in with my lipstick immediately, it doesn't have any effect on my lips. They don't crack. They're very good quality. And this is Sleek Matte, also from True Cosmetics. If you cannot afford a makeup artist like me, just fix yourself when you're going out. But once in a while, you can have a proper face bead. Yeah, so this lipstick lasts the whole day as long as you don't eat it. So if you feast on lipstick, it's going to get out. The next thing is, let me show you. I don't know how to do my eyebrows, but I just try and comb them a bit. This thing is from Bwibo. I don't know what it is called, but I'm planning to learn how to do my eyebrows. I used to do them, but then I used to do the one you start here and you go all the way to the end. Honestly, I can't hack the one which is detailed, but I will learn. If you're out there and you would like to teach me, why not? I'm ready to learn. So the next thing is laying my edges, and I'm going to use the Soften Free gel and my old toothbrush here. So just lay the edges nicely. I don't know if these products from Bwibo, if you don't have a sensitive skin, can work if you're in Kenya. I don't know. I have never tried them. The only thing I know I have used from Bwibo was a lipstick, and every time I could use it, my lips were cracking. So I can't speak for other products. That's the only thing that we don't get along. And since my skin is very sensitive, I choose to buy the original products. And since I don't do a huge pile, it means I don't consume a lot. So if you want to have a simple look and on a budget, if Bwibo works for you, they are more pocket friendly. If your skin is sensitive like mine, you can go to True Cosmetics. Honestly, I don't have breakouts, I don't have issues on my skin from the products I get from True Cosmetics. Of course, this is not a paid ad. It's for someone who is looking for a simple look like mine. What do you think? Leave a comment. The hair will be done this weekend, so just ignore it. But I feel good. And my outfit is a shirt dress. Let me try and take a good image. Here, looks like that. Above the knee, yes, it's a shirt dress. I feel happy and I feel like I'm looking good in a simple way. Shoe of the day. Yeah. It's a Saturday, it's an easy day.
choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star.